Hi, I'm Don Christensen and I work for Public Works.
I'm John White. I'm the Building Inspector Supervisor for the Town of Castle Rock's Development Services.
My name is Cody Darrington. I'm a firefighter with the Castle Rock Fire and Rescue Department.
I have the best job in the town of Castle Rock. I'm Andrew, and I work for Castle Rock Water.
Hi, I'm part of the Community Partnership Unit with the Castle Rock Police Department. I'm Kevin Torn.
I work in the Town Finance Department. I'm Carly.
Castle Rock Parks and Rec is where it's at. I'm Andrew, and this is where I work.
As a street operations team member at Public Works, our team plows the town's 700 lane miles during the winter and keeps the roads clear and smooth with road maintenance the rest of the year.
In Development Services, we inspect every new and updated commercial and residential buildings to make sure they're safe.
We respond to thousands of requests every year at the fire department. Whether it's a medical emergency, a structure fire, or teaching CPR classes, we answer your calls for help.
I love the taste of Castle Rock water. Here at our treatment plant, we regularly test and sample the water to make sure you get the best quality, best tasting, safest water possible.
At the police department, you would normally see us patrolling the town and working to prevent and investigate crime. But we also have several outreach programs to interact one by one with the community, like the Are You OK program, where officers perform regular checks on the elderly and disabled residents who live alone.
Here in the Finance Department, we manage the town's financial information as well as oversee a budget of hundreds of millions of dollars.
At Parks and Rec, we're always working to make sure that our dozens of parks, great recreational facilities, and 6,000 acres of open space are always ready for you to enjoy. Oh, and all those holiday lights? Yeah, we put those up too.
I work for Public Works and I work for you.
I'm the Building Inspector Supervisor for the Town of Castle Rock's Development Services, and I work for you.
I'm with Castle Rock Fire and Rescue, and I work for you.
I test the water you drink in Castle Rock, and I work for you.
I'm an officer with the Castle Rock Police Department, and I work for you.
I'm a financial analyst in the town's Finance Department, and I work for you.
I hope to see you on one of our 95 miles of trails maintained by Castle Rock Parks and Rec. I work for you.
We are the town of Castle Rock, and we work for you.